Hello everyone, namaste and welcome. I'm Cheri, your yoga instructor for today. Welcome to 10 minutes yoga for beginners. Let's move and breathe so we can feel great from inside out. When you're ready, let's begin. We will begin our practice today in extended child's pose. Come into a kneeling position, bring your big toes to touch and open the knees to the outer edges of your mat. Send the arms long out in front of you and place your forehead to rest on your mat. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes, and keep sinking your sitting bones closer and closer down towards your heels. Finding a lot of length through the spine. Keep sending your fingertips towards the front of your mat. Take a deep, long inhale in through your nose. And then open mouth, exhale, side out. Seal your lips. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And this time, exhale out of your nose. Keep breathing in and out through your nose as you're finding a slight constriction in the back of your throat. Think about the sound of the ocean. This is the sound that we would like to create with our breath as we're inhaling in through the nose and exhaling out of the nose. Let's take 2 more breaths here. Keep relaxing. On the inhale, lift your gaze and let's make our way to all fours, tabletop position. Hips over knees, shoulders over your wrist. Inhale, cow pose. You're gonna dip the belly down, bring the gaze up. Exhale, cat pose, curl the tailbone under, tuck the chin to your chest, and then push the mat away so you can finding a nice rounded back. Inhale, cow pose, soften, open your heart. Exhale, push away, contract your core around your upper back. Moving with the breath, inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Let's do 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more cycle. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Come back into neutral spine. Inhale, sweep your right arm up to the sky. And as you exhale, thread the needle. Bring the right arm underneath your left, drop down to your shoulder, and extend the left arm long out in front of you. Take a moment here to close your eyes, tune inward, and notice the sensations in your body. Begin to direct your breath into your sensations. Breathing in and out. 1 more full breath in and out. Ground your left hand down, push the mat away, come up into tabletop. Inhale, sweep your left arm up, open the heart. Exhale, thread the needle, left arm underneath your right, lower the left shoulder down. Extend the right arm long out in front of you. Close your eyes, tune into the breath. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in and out. Let's take 1 more cycle of breath. Ground your right hand down, push the earth away, come back to tabletop. Walk your hands forward. Make sure that you're placing your hands shoulders width apart. Tuck your toes under and begin to lifting your sitting bones high and up towards the sky, finding downward facing dog. Look at your feet. Place your feet hip distance apart. Bend your knees a lot and bring your belly to your thighs as you're finding a lot of length through your spine. Now let's begin to invite movement. Bend your right knee and left knee, and then right and then left. So walk your dog and notice how it affects your body and your sensations, how you feel. Keep moving in your downward facing dog, pushing the shoulders away from your ears. Now find a complete stillness. If you need to keep your knees bent, keep your knees bent, or press the heels down to the earth to straighten the legs. The heels don't have to touch the mat. They will eventually with practice. Now begin to walk your hands towards your feet, to the back of your mat. Soften the knees, grab the opposite elbows, let go of your head and neck. Ragdoll position, just begin sway side to side. Allow your head to hang loose and heavy. Shake it a few times, yes, and no, and again, yes. Always ending with positive energy, positive attitude. Let go of your grip. Walk your hands back into downward facing dog. As you inhale, we're gonna sweep the right heel up high into single leg down dog. Exhale, look forward and step the right foot outside of your right hand. As you're dropping your left knee down, keep the arms straight. And begin a little bit sway side to side, bringing some movement into your hips. Notice the sensation in your hip flexor, in the outer hip. Maybe see if you can drop down to one forearm, maybe both. And if not, it really doesn't matter. What matters is what you feel. Come back to straight arms, tuck the left toes under, lift your left knee up. Keep the left hand grounded. Inhale, sweep the right arm up, open up through the heart. Look up and reach the right arm back behind you. Take a breath in and out. Look down, ground your right hand. Step your left foot to the back of your mat, finding plank pose. Shoulders over wrist, heels over your toes, pushing the floor away, rounding through the upper back, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down to your knees, hinge forward, and then begin to bend your elbows as you lower all the way down to the mat. Push the mat away through the heels of your hands, coming into cobra pose. Lift up through the heart. Try to bring the chest through the upper arms. Take a breath in and lower down as you breathe out. Making your way through child's pose. Inhale. Exhale, tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Inhale, sweep your left heel up high, single leg, down dog. Exhale, bring the gaze forward and step your left foot outside of your left hand. Lizard lunge. Lower the right knee down, keep the arms straight and just moving side to side. Keep creating a beautiful sound of the ocean with your breath. Maybe left forearm down, maybe right, or maybe not at all. Good, let's lift that right knee up, ground your right hand, inhale, sweep your left arm up, reach it back behind you, open the heart, full breath in and out. Bring the gaze down, ground your left hand, step your left foot to the back of your mat, find a plank pose. Round the upper back, really engage your core. Squeeze your inner thighs and just hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees down. Begin to bend the arms as you lower all the way down to the mat. Inhale, press the mat away. Come into cobra pose. Bring the heart through the arms. Exhale, child's pose. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, back into downward facing dog. Inhale, look up. Exhale, walk your feet in between the hands. Inhale, bring the hands to your shin bones, flat, long spine. Pull the belly in and up. Exhale, fold. Ground the hands, bend the knees if you need here. Let go of your head and neck. Inhale, roll up to standing. Reach the arms up. Mountain pose. Look up, connect your palms. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach the arms up. Gather all the energy around you. And as you exhale, you're gonna bend the knees, hinge from your hips, fold forward. Let go of your head and neck. Inhale, halfway, hands to your shin bones, long spine. Exhale, vinyasa flow. We're gonna step back to high plank. Lower the knees down. Lower halfway this time. Then untuck your toes, straighten the arms, lift your knees, come into upward facing dog. Inhale. And then tuck your toes under, back to downward facing dog. Exhale. Take a big breath in and out. Lower down to your knees. Make your way back into child's pose. Extend the arms in front of you. Full breath in and out. Lift your gaze. Make your way up. Shoulders over hands, hands to your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for stepping today on your yoga mat, for moving your body, for igniting your breath, and for taking care of yourself. Full breath in, open mouth. Release your gratitude to the universe. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you for moving and breathing with me. If you did enjoy this practice, let me know by liking this video and leave me a lovely comment in the comments below. I will leave you some more recommendations, yoga for beginners, in the description box below. Make sure to check them out and keep stepping, showing up for yourself so you can feel your best self every single day. From my heart to yours, namaste.